All right, on this video, I'm going to show you how to solve an exponential equation that is also a quadratic. So this e to the 2x is like e to the x squared. So I'm going to set this all equal to 0. So I'm going to write e to the 2x minus 7e to the x plus 6 equals 0. So this is like before, where we've had complicated things where I've said, look at your variable in the middle, and if that variable is squared out here, then you can rewrite this as a different type of quadratic. So we would say, let m equal e to the x, because this middle thing here is e to the x. So if you do that, then this becomes m squared minus 7m plus 6 equals 0. Then this is a fairly easy equation to factor. It becomes m minus 6 and m minus 1, giving you m equals 6 and m equals 1. But that's not our answer. We're trying to figure out what x is. So we have to go back now and say, well, that means that e to the x is equal to 6 and e to the x is equal to 1. And now we have to solve this by taking the ln of both sides. So this becomes the ln of e to the x is equal to the ln of 6. Then you can bring your exponent down. So x ln e is equal to the ln of 6. And ln of e is equal to 1. So x is just ln 6, which if you want the decimal of that, that is 1.792. Then this you might be able to do in your head. You're trying to figure out what the exponent needs to be to get that to be 1. Well, if you can't think of that, you go ahead and follow the rules. So you take the ln of both sides. Ln of e to the x is ln of 1. Then you can bring your x down. X ln e is ln 1. That's equal to 1. So x is ln 1. And if you type that in your calculator, you get 0. And then you're like, oh yeah, I remember anything to the 0 power is 1. So x equals 0 is your answer. Okay, so that's kind of the trick to doing those. Another example of that, because this is with e as the base, it could be anything. So we could have 7 to the power of 2x minus 5 times 7 to the x equals 14. So we've got to set that equal to 0. So 7 to the 2x minus 5 times 7 to the x minus 14 equals 0. And then we're going to let m equal 7 to the x, because 7 to the 2x is 7 to the x squared. So now this becomes m squared minus 5m minus 14. And then I can factor this into m minus 7 and m plus 2. So m equals 7 and m equals negative 2. So then you've got to use the fact that m is 7 to the x, so that means 7 to the x is equal to 7, and 7 to the x is equal to negative 2. Well, this is nice because it came out to be a negative number, and I cannot take 7 to any power and get a negative, so I can just throw that out. Then this side you should be able to do in your head probably, but if not, follow the rules. So x ln 7 is equal to the ln of 7, and then if you divide, you're going to get 1. ln 7 divided by ln 7, and that equals 1. And then you're like, oh yeah, 7 to the first power would have been 7. I could have done that. Okay? So hopefully that helps you understand those equations.